In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Steam to your Xbox account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to open up the Xbox app on Windows. So if you don't have it installed, go to your Microsoft Store and download and install the Xbox app by doing a search. If you already got it installed like myself, go ahead and open it up and sign in. So it's Xbox app. Alright, here it is here. So I'm going to click onto it. Now I'm going to click on open. Now it's going to launch up the Xbox app. Then from here, sign in. And then as you can see, I'm signed in the top left hand corner. From here, we need to click on the profile image and then click into settings. Then from settings, make sure you're on the account tab, scroll down and under linked accounts. This is where you connect with friends across your social networks. We can link Steam. So go ahead and click on that link button. And then a new window should appear. You might need to sign into here, so sign in with your Steam account details. And then from here, I'm going to click on sign in button there. And then it will say open Xbox. I'm going to click that and then click open Xbox. And now it should update my profile. And there we go. So I've linked my Steam with my Xbox app.